Hi guys, these are the instructions for Lana Pays Us if you are shop, restaurant or any kind of business. So first you will create an account. But actually you're not creating account, you're just signing in. So you go here on sign in. You will put your private key from your main Lana wallet. You will log in. The system will automatically recognize because it's going to connect via Nostr and get all the data, who are you and so on. So you will select here shop. The only thing you have to do it is to create a profile. So a shop or a restaurant or a business can have multiple different entities, So you have to create for every entity literally a new profile. So just create a new profile. You will put here your picture, logo, some additional photo, store name, description, category, category detail, owner, who is the owner, and here you will add staff member who will issue invoices. Why? Because every user in Lana World has his own private key. You cannot share your main private key. So if there is someone that is maybe your employee or your friend or a family member, they should also create their own profile. They just go on 100 million to everyone, play the game, get this Lana, and then they will also create their own profile, and then you can just type their name, and system will find it, and you just add it. The next things are receiver details. So here's the receiver name, that is the business name, address, zip code, city, country. Bank details, very important. So your bank address, SWIFT, bank country, and of course account number. These are important data because without that we cannot pay you, So that is very important. So then you can select your current location. So you can literally ask the system to find it, But sometimes, because that is like a desktop, sometimes, computer cannot get really your exact location. But on mobile it should work. Anyway, business details, so you will select with what currency you are working, and of course status active. And that's it. You just save business unit. This profile is going to be now publicly accessible. And from that moment, you can go just here on invoices, and you can just select the first, the entity, and put the amount number, invoice number, let's say. And then you have like two options, whether show QR code to the buyer so you just show this QR code to the buyer. This QR code is valid for 5 minutes, so in 5 minutes he has to or she has to pay it, otherwise it is not going to be valid anymore. In a moment when a person pays, you will get here automatically notification that is paid, and that's it. All other is the history, because you're just going to pay then directly this amount of money. So these 12 euros multiply with 20% more, you get that on account. Or you can just send that also to the customer. If someone is part of that Lana network, you can just send to customer, write his wallet, and he will get it in his messages, and that's it. So this is it. When requests are paid, you will get you have here everything what is paid, and that's basically everything. In a statements you will find all the transactions that are paid. So for example, €1 you get paid 1.2, €1 1.2, 1.3 1.6, and if and in case that something happens, then you have here possibility to start the self-responsible system. So that literally means that if from some reason there is some issues, you just type on that and things are then going to be resolved based on our self-responsible concept that works just awesome. Okay, this is it, guys. Thank you very much, and I hope you will enjoy using this beautiful service of Lana Payas.